Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Jessica, and if you are new here, I would sure hope that you would consider subscribing to my channel because I upload new videos every week. Maybe I'm switching up my uploading schedule to Monday and Wednesday. Not sure yet. We'll keep you posted, but I'm thinking it might be Monday and Wednesday now. But yeah, I am back. I'm so sorry that I have been gone, guys. I know you guys are probably sick of me saying that, but it's true. I've just been really busy with school, work, planning my trip away, but there will be videos while I'm away. So I'm also going to be vlogging on my trip to my destination, which you guys will find out when I upload my first vlog, which I'm so excited about. But yeah, I am back better than ever, so excited to make new content for you guys. And the first video back of mine is something new on my channel. I'm going to be doing today, as you guys see from the title below, what I eat in a day. Now, this is not what I eat every single day. Obviously, I eat different things every day. This is just what I eat in one day. Sometimes my diet fluctuates. Sometimes I eat healthier. Sometimes I eat not so healthy. It just depends. I'm not on any kind of diet. I eat whatever I want, whenever I want. I do exercise 3 to 4 times a week. Cardio, weight training, all of that stuff. So I have a pretty balanced lifestyle. It used to not be so balanced. I used to never work out, but I have recently started going to the gym, and I've really been enjoying it, and I've really been enjoying eating healthy and just really good foods for my body and good fuel for my overall well-being. I just wanted to say that these are meals that work for me, things that I like to eat. If you don't want to eat them, you don't have to. This is just what works for me and what I like to eat. I just wanted to say that I do drink a lot of water throughout the day. I really only drink water or tea, or my chai tea that I did show in this video. So that's pretty much the only things that I drink. I don't drink juice, I don't drink soda, or anything like that, because that is just added sugar and added calories that I don't want. So I just usually drink a ton of water a day. I pee all the time. But I just wanted to hop on here before the video to tell you guys what's going on and to look forward to new videos on my channel. I'm so sorry that I did take a break from you guys, but I'm excited to be back. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say. I love you guys so much. Let's go ahead and get into what I eat in a day. Alright guys, so getting started, I just wanted to show you guys that I do drink a ton of water a day. This is about 38 ounces, and I drink about 4 or 5 of these a day. It's just really great to get your water in, and I just absolutely love it. So now heading into breakfast, I'm going to make some avocado toast. So I'm taking some sourdough bread from Trader Joe's, avocado, grape tomatoes, some strawberries, and yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and also some blueberries. I love strawberries and blueberries. It's my favorite fruit combo, and I love things spicy, so I always take these hot and sweet jalapenos from Trader Joe's also and put that on top of my toast as well. It just tastes so good, and I love everything to be spicy. It's kind of crazy, but I just go ahead and I make 1 slice of bread. So I take the sourdough bread, and the sourdough bread from Trader Joe's is just so delicious. So I go ahead and put that in the toaster, and while that is toasting up, I'm going to go ahead and cut up my fruit. So I just take a few strawberries. These strawberries are actually pretty huge, and I just go ahead and rinse them under the sink to get rid of any dirt or anything like that. I don't like to spray my strawberries with any vegetable spray, because I feel like they absorb the spray and then it alters the taste. I don't know, I'm kind of weird about that, but just go ahead and rinse those off and then dry them off with a paper towel. And then I go ahead and cut those up to have with my breakfast. Once those are all done, I go ahead and take some blueberries as well, just to get some more fruit in. I just love fruit in the morning. I just go ahead and pop those onto the plate as well. These are already rinsed. I just rinse them and leave them in the container. Oh, I'm also going to rinse them again, but I usually rinse my blueberries and just leave them in the container because it's just easier. But I'm rinsing those again, just in my hand really quick, just to rinse off anything that was left on there. And I go ahead and plop those right next to the strawberries, even on top, whatever floats your boat. So I just go ahead and do that. And then I go ahead and grab my grape tomatoes, sorry guys, my grape tomatoes, and I go ahead and slice those up as well. I love adding tomatoes to avocado toast. I think it adds a really nice freshness and a different texture, because I feel like avocado toast can sometimes be pretty bland. But I go ahead and chop up some grape tomatoes, and yeah. Once I'm done cutting up my tomatoes, I go ahead and take one of my avocados. These are the teeny tiny avocados from Trader Joe's. These are my favorite because they're like the perfect size, and I find that I don't waste any avocado. So I just go ahead and slice that in half and then dice it so that it's easier to squeeze on to my toast. Once my toast is out of the oven, I just go ahead and take the avocado and squeeze it right on top. And I feel like half of one of these teeny tiny avocados is the perfect amount of avocado for this slice of bread. So I just go ahead and use my knife to spread out the avocado on the toast, and it's just, oh, I had this for breakfast again today, guys. A different variation of it, which I'm excited to show you guys in another what I eat in a day very soon. So if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because it'll let me know, and I'll do a lot more on my channel because I eat every day. So once that is all spread out, I go ahead and add my tomatoes on top. Like I said, I just love tomatoes on avocado toast. It's my favorite thing. I love tomatoes in general. They're bomb. I just love to eat tomatoes. And they're really good for you because they help you burn fat. So just go ahead and plop those on top like so. And then I go in and add my jalapenos on top. Ugh, this meal is just so bomb, guys. If you like spicy, this will be your jam, let me tell you. It's so easy to make in the morning too, and especially if you don't have a lot of time in the morning like I usually don't. So I just love to add some jalapenos, and then I add a little bit of the Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning. If you guys live under a rock, that's the only way you've never heard of this stuff. Like, it is everywhere. So it is my favorite seasoning. And then because I love things spicy, I do add some crushed red pepper as well to the top of my avocado toast. Just a few little flakes to add a little bit of heat, because I just love spicy things, guys. I don't know why. But yeah, once you do that, the meal is all done. But I also like to have this Tazo chai latte. This is the brand that Starbucks uses, and it's so good. So I usually just follow the serving instructions. I usually only have this a few times a week. I don't have this every day. I usually have my green tea if I'm not feeling super tired, but this does have a lot of caffeine in it. So when I'm feeling a little bit more sleepy, I'll have this, and I'll just have that with some milk mixed in, and it's super good. So that is what I have for breakfast, and it is just so delicious, guys. I also add some ice to this as well, and I use my reusable straw, and yeah, it's just amazing, and it is my favorite breakfast. So yeah. Moving on to lunch, I wanted to show you guys that I'm just going to pop some of these veggies in the oven. I have red pepper, green pepper, tomatoes, red onion, and some sweet potatoes, and I'm just popping that in the oven because we are going to make a roasted vegetable salad. This is one of my favorite meals to make for lunch. It just gives me so much fuel for the rest of my day. And if you haven't added roasted veggies to your meal, guys, you're missing out. So I take this salad mix from Trader Joe's. It just has lettuce, some different, like a mixed green lettuce, some sliced carrots, and it is just my favorite lettuce mix ever. It is just so good, and it's full of, dark greens, which are really, really good for you. So I also wanted to say that this is a 2-serving salad. I didn't eat this whole salad in one sitting. I usually do that when it comes to when I make salad so that I don't have to make it again the next day. So I'm just tearing up some bigger leaves that were in my salad as well. And I'm adding some of these shredded carrots. I love shredded carrots in my salad. I feel like it adds such like a nice sweetness because carrots are so sweet and tasty. So I just add some of those right on top. And as you guys can see, I'm using a huge bowl. But like I said, this is for 2 separate servings. Sometimes I'll have it for lunch and then I'll have it as a side salad for dinner. It just depends. And here I am, I'm just adding some feta that I had chopped up the other day. And I love feta in salads. It is so, so good. I love feta cheese. It's like, I can't live without feta. It's just amazing. So I add that to my salad as well. And these are the Trader Joe's heat and serve chicken strips that you can find in like the refrigerated section of Trader Joe's. These are my favorite chicken strips. They're just so tasty, and they're so easy to just pop in a pan, warm up, and get a little bit of crispy edges on them. It's just so tasty. So I'm just going ahead and cutting those up as well, and then adding them to my salad because we want some protein. Since I didn't have any meat with my breakfast, I like to kind of have meat with lunch. I find that works the best for me. And here I am just adding my roasted veggies on top. I'm adding the sweet potatoes and the red onion, and as well as some green peppers, red peppers, and the tomatoes that I have. And once that is all put together, I love this honey mustard from Newman's Own. All of the profits go to charity, so I really love that. So I just add about 1.5 cupfuls of dressing. I used to be a person that like every piece of lettuce needed to be coated in dressing, but I'm glad I've grown from that point. This is also great with a balsamic vinaigrette if you guys like that more, but with the roasted veggies, I don't know why, I just really love a honey mustard. So this is the final result of my salad, and guys, it was so good. I also wanted to show you guys that I went to the gym this day, and I just had one of these blueberry crisp Cliff bars after my workout because I was so hungry, and my dog was loving it as well. I didn't give him any, but it was funny. And this is my dinner, guys. This is actually Easter leftovers. It is some lamb, mashed potatoes, and string beans. I love lamb personally. It is so good, and I just put some gravy on top, and I just wanted to show you guys that I had some water with that as well. And then I just end my night with some chamomile tea, always just to relax. So that's it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed my what I eat in a day, and I will talk to you guys in my next one very soon. Love you, girls. Bye.